Hello guys, welcome to Maha Educational Channel. Today's topic is integration part 1 video. Every second year student should see this video who are studying MPC or MEC. Integration. Integration means taking a small value to make it as big. Okay. When we go on its different definition, integration means if you want to know about integration, that you should know about differentiation. I uploaded videos that you can see. Integration, if the differentiation of a function is capital F of x, if the differentiation of a function is capital F of x, capital F of x means we are taking a large quantity. Differentiation means that we are making into a small quantity. If we take a large quantity, by differentiating it will convert into a small quantity. So that is called differentiation. With respect to x is small f of x. In the mathematical form, d by dx of capital F of x is equal to small f of x. That is what I said now. Then f of x is known as anti-differentiation. Capital F of x is known as, capital F of x means big value. Big value means integration. Integration means we can also call it as anti-differentiation. Integration of, this is the definition of integration. Integration of small f of x with respect to x. Small f of x with respect to x, and it is denoted by integral symbol. This is integral symbol. This is small value. By integrating the small value with respect to x, that we can get a big value. Okay, this is the small f of x. That means of this is big f of x plus c. This is the mathematical expression of differentiation. This is the mathematical expression of integration. When we go on formulae, most important. When we go on integration formulae, to do integration chapter sums, that you should know about trigonometry formulas and differentiation formulas also. These three chapter formulas are totally important for this chapter. Okay, you should see my videos I uploaded already about differentiation part 1, part 2, trigonometry 4 parts, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. Total explanation is given that you should see before seeing this video. First formula, integral x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Integral 1 by x dx is equal to log x plus c. Integral 1 by x square dx is equal to minus 1 by x plus c. Integral root x dx is equal to 2 by 3 x power, this is the reciprocal here, 3 by 2 plus c. Integral 1 by root x dx is equal to 2 root x plus c. Integral log x dx is equal to, this is too long, x log x log x minus x plus c. Integral e power x is equal to e power x plus c. Integral a power x dx is equal to a power x by log a plus c. Integral dx is equal to x plus c. Integral sin x dx is equal to minus cos x plus c. When we go on differentiation, d by dx of sin x is equal to cos x plus c. Integral cos x dx is equal to sin x plus c. Integral tan x dx is equal to log secant x plus c. Integral cot x dx is equal to log sin x plus c. Integral secant x dx is equal to log of mod secant x plus tan x plus c. Integral cosecant x dx is equal to log of mod cosecant x minus cot x plus c, and we can also write it as log of tan x by 2 plus c. Log of tan x by 2 plus c. When we go on another formula, there are so many important formula. This is the first part. Integral secant x tan x dx is equal to secant x plus c. Integral cosecant x cot x dx is equal to cosecant x plus c. Integral sin hx is equal to cos hx plus c. Integral cos hx is equal to sin hx plus c. Integral tan hx dx is equal to log of mod cos hx plus c. Integral cot hx dx is equal to log of mod sin hx plus c. Integral sin square x dx is equal to 1 by 2 into x minus sin x cos x plus c. When we go on, integral cos square x dx is equal to half of, here is minus, here is plus, x plus sin x cos x plus c. Integral tan square x dx is equal to tan x minus x plus c. Integral cot square x dx is equal to minus cot x plus minus x plus c. Integral secant square x dx is equal to tan x plus c. Integral cosecant square x dx is equal to minus cot x plus c. You can see part 2. I am uploading part 1. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel. Share to your friends. Keep smiling. Don't worry about study.